Yeah. What's up? 903 Durty back in it. I've been gone for about a couple weeks, a week, you hear me? So you already know how we doing it. I'm at the paint and body shop with my people, you know what I'm saying? Amigo's paint and body. See y'all and introduce y'all to Amigo. You feel me? Feel my boy. Big brother, I can do my YouTube real quick. Let's rock. We running?
Yeah.
What's up? This is my boy Joe, the paint man right here.
What's up, man?
Whatever y'all need done, he got all the colors you need, you feel me? This is why I come get all my cars spraying. He sprayed all my cars $7. He got all types of community paint.
Custom colors too.
Custom paint, candy paint, factory paint,
whatever you
body
need.
paint, whatever you want. He got you. He got some type of goddamn,
Yeah.
I'm gonna call this one.
You got that pearl working in there.
Man. I'm gonna call these right here. What you call them candy? What you call them little candy things? This sweet candy. Cotton candy. Cotton candy.
You heard me?
Yeah, cotton candy right there. Oh, we see it.
Look at all these.
That's cotton candy right there, y'all.
You got everything working in this whole thing.
Man, that's cotton candy, man. Y'all want y'all thing done up. Y'all cars whipped up for the summer. Y'all come out and Joe. Joe gonna put y'all in the game. Feel me?
You saw over there do my shit too.
There ain't even no sunlight in here.
There's not even no sunlight. We in the dog. We in the dog. It's still glowing. Imagine you take it outside.
Go ahead. You got to.
You gotta take one outside.
You got to.
Here you go. I got you. Come on.
Take one to the light. Shit about that cotton candy thing. I like that. Look at that thing guys flopping, y'all.
Check it out.
See how many colors it changing? Look how many colors it changing. Man, this Crayola season. We buy different colors every day. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Booster.
Yo, tell me all the colors you see.
We got like 6 different colors working in that thing.
Yeah, you gotta, what you do is stand right here, hold it like that, and then just kind of turn it around.
Yeah, just tell me all the colors you see.
Depending on which angle the light's hitting, that's what you
Look,
see.
they go gold,
They go blue,
they go blue.
they go green,
You heard me?
they go red.
Look at that green right there though. Ooh.
Stand right there.
Ooh. Ooh. He ain't doing Say, man. I ain't gonna ask what that was.
That's that invisible shit.
That's that invisible shit?
It goes invisible with the heat.
When you get dark with a light, when the sun get on, it's dark.
When it gets hot, it goes invisible. The paint goes invisible.
Oh, yeah, that's nasty.
So what I did was I painted the flames underneath it, then I put that invisible shit on top of it.
Yeah.
And then when it heats up, it goes invisible, and then when you put the cold water, you can't see it again.
Ooh, y'all heard that? Invisible. I might try that one day. I ain't gonna ask him about that place out there, y'all.
You fix your car up, you want it to be pristine and clean.
Hey, man.
You never leave the garage without, it being perfectly clean to a crisp. There's no dirt, no dust, none of that on it. And you only pull it out when it's, showroom ready. There's that type of slab rider.
We're not even done yet. Look at that thing, man.
If you pull your car out and your car ain't up to, standard slab standards, we gonna talk about you.
Y'all just gotta get a sneak peek of that Benz, man. Look at this, man. That's purple with a red. Purple. You heard me? It's not purple, it's purple. You gotta put that in it, that R for that air, with that E with it, you hear me? We can't see it in the sun right here. You wait till this thing gets, you wait till it.
No, this is black.
My hood off, trunk off, no jams, under the hood. Know you gotta pay to take your whole hood off. Painted everything. Everything. So y'all want y'all cars, come up and holler at Joe. Tell Joe, I sent y'all up here. If he don't know you, he gonna text you. I'm so unreal. You can see it now. It's unreal. Yes, sir. Come on. Oh, yeah. Check them out. So the direction of whatever the sun's hitting on it, that's what it does. It changes up. You got it like the sun in front of you. That's when you get that orange and that gold.
It's at the top.
Yeah.
Man, go get that cotton candy.
How much you charge for a price? How much you charge for that, Joe?
This one here, 5,000.
5 bands.
And that includes inside the door jams, outside, buffed out, everything.
I'm talking about, yeah.
And it's gonna last.
Is it gonna last? I still got my 7 paint. Joe, what you think?
Come this way. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Bring it.
And both of these hoes dusty. Look how them hoes still shine. Look at this shit.
That thing, wow.
You hear me? Look at that shit.
I'm in different colors.
Look, I don't even know what color to call that bitch there.
I
Look.
don't know either.
Look, I don't even know what color to call that right there.
I said cotton candy over here, so I don't know what that is. Bubble gum or something? Sweet tarts? Yeah, man. Look at that boy dancing.
This hoe here killing them though. It's blue.
That's it right there.
Right here,
Like that.
right here, look, that bitch just blue. But hold up, let the sun hit it. Let the sun, look, you don't even know what color that right there is. What color is that? Tell me what color that is. Please tell me.
Look like a little green to me.
Please tell me. That bitch look like it's orange, gold, red.